Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Telegram channel for trading. First, open your Telegram app and tap the icon to start a new message. From the menu, choose New Channel to begin the setup process. You'll then need to give your channel a unique and relevant name, something that clearly indicates its purpose for trading. After naming it, add a concise description that tells potential subscribers what your channel offers, making it appealing and informative. Next, you'll decide if your trading channel will be public or private. A public channel is discoverable through Telegram's search function, and anyone can join, which is great for broad reach. Conversely, a private channel requires an invitation link, offering more control over who accesses your content. Think about your goals. Do you want to grow a large community or maintain a more exclusive group for specific trading insights? This choice impacts your channel's visibility and member management. Once your channel is set up, it's time to invite members. You can add some initial subscribers directly from your phone's contacts. To expand further, share your channel's invite link across your other social media platforms or trading communities. Begin posting engaging content immediately, such as market analysis, trade setups, or educational tips. Remember to interact with your audience. Using polls or asking questions can significantly boost engagement and build a strong community around your trading expertise. To effectively manage and grow your trading channel, consider appointing trusted administrators who can assist with content posting and moderation. Consistency is key. Regularly deliver high-quality trading insights to keep your audience engaged and informed. Actively promote your channel across relevant online communities and platforms to attract new subscribers. Finally, monitor your channel's growth and engagement metrics to understand what resonates best with your audience, allowing you to refine your strategy for continued success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.